In the previous video, we looked at how we can take existing company information and enriching it with additional contacts, where the company information will automatically be copied and pasted to these new contacts. And now what we can do is actually export them, in this case, to Salesforce. I'll go to the settings real quick. I'll just show that I am still connected with Salesforce, and you can always confirm that by just going into a contact and clicking on the duplicate check here, just refreshing it, just to be sure that the right information is being found within Salesforce and that you still have the connection. Now, in this case with Salesforce, I have two options. I can export this as a contact and account, or I can export it as a lead. I will do both. First of all, I will start with a contact and account, meaning both entities or both objects will be created and the contact will automatically be linked to the account. I'll just confirm all the information again. Everything looks filled out and good, and all I have to do is click on save. And the export was successful within barely a couple of seconds, and I can open that up. And I can see now that the account is there. This is my contact. All the information is there. And the two entities, or two objects in this case, are connected to each other. And we can see who created it as well, at what time. So this all looks fine. Now I will go to another contact. And I might just have to add the last name here. And put in the salutation. Again, I can click on the email validator. We can see there's the direct email address. And in this case, I'm going to do it as a lead. So not as a contact and an account, just as a lead. And I can choose the status. So in what phase the actual lead process should be. I'll put it in working. And again, click on save. You can see that the lead didn't exist yet. And export was successful. Open it up directly in Salesforce, and we can see that this phase has automatically been selected. And again, as usual, we've got all the details and information right here in one place. What one can additionally do is, if you're not using a CRM and you just want to export all these contacts to a CSV file or a Excel file, we can do it using the download function. So again, Excel CSV, or you can even create contact cards for your Mac operating system or Windows and import those into Outlook, for example, or any other type of mail program. So I'll put into Excel, I'll select them all, and if I open this up, we can see that I've got all the fields and the information from them, as well as like the Zing and the LinkedIn URLs as well, company information. So all the standard fields that we filled in earlier.